I am very proud to announce the launch of my signature Lightroom Presets collection, and I'm going to give you a free sample pack of my signature Lightroom presets. They are compatible on both older and newer versions of Lightroom. These presets are special and they can help you create your best photos. Let me tell you why. My name is Tim Shields. I'm a landscape photographer and I have earned the designation of Master Photographer. In fact, I was just awarded the International Nature Photographer of the Year award from Master Photographers International. And this is relevant because I have taken my top 200 most popular photos from the past 10 years, and I've taken the actual settings that I've used for those photos and converted them into my signature Lightroom presets collection. My presets are the result of my very best photography for the past 10 years, and I'm going to give you a free sample pack. Just click the link below and enter your email address or authorized Facebook Messenger, and a download link will be sent to you right away. These presets represent 10 years of my very best photography, and I know that they can help you create your own stunning photos faster and easier than ever before. You can download a free sample pack, or you can buy the full signature Lightroom collection. So just click on the link below.